In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Revolut to another Revolut user. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and how to confirm your transfer goes through instantly. Make sure you're logged into the latest version of the Revolut app and that you have a stable internet connection. The steps are the same on most phones, though the layout may vary slightly depending on your device. Start by opening the app and heading straight to payments. This is the place where all your transfers live, so think of it as your hub for sending and receiving money. If you don't see it immediately, check the bottom or top navigation bar. Payments is usually right there. Next, tap New or simply hit the plus icon. This is your shortcut to starting a fresh transfer. When you do, the app opens up a panel with different ways you can move your money. You'll notice a few options, including sending to a traditional bank account. That's handy if you're paying someone who isn't on Revolut, but in this video, we're focusing on transfers within Revolut, which are typically instant. If you don't see what you need right away, tap More. This expands the list and reveals additional ways to send money. It's a quick way to make sure you're choosing the most direct route for your transfer. From there, select Revolut. This tells the app you're sending to another Revolut user, which unlocks fast, seamless transfers with no extra bank details required. Now enter the recipient's details. You can type their phone number or email, or simply pick them from your contacts if you've granted the app permission. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right person. Look for the correct contact card and make sure the details match what you expect. If they're new to Revolut or haven't completed setup, the app may prompt them to join before the money can land. Enter the amount you want to send. You can add a short note to clarify what the payment is for, then review everything on the screen. When you're happy, tap Send. You'll see a confirmation right away, and the recipient should get the funds instantly in their Revolut account. If anything appears pending, double-check your connection and confirm the recipient is fully set up on Revolut. That's all there is to it. You've just sent money from Revolut to another Revolut user quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.